Right, this is a KTT. Not sure whether it's a 37 or 39 model, but we'll have a look at the engine number and a few things. It's not going, hasn't gone since maybe 2016. As you know, it runs on methanol, so a bit of a process starting it up and getting there. Let's have a look. It's got the split blade forks on it it's meant to have, so that's a bonus. It's got the adjuster here, friction for the front suspension, so it's the spring. It's got the proper steering damper on it here. Should actually say there, engineering. It's got a Smith's Teco, and I'm really sure added thing there. Let's have a look in the tank. See if we can. Hopefully it hasn't been left with methanol or anything in it. No, it looks nice and clean down there. Yeah, no, there's been no methanol left in there, so that's good. That's really good. It's got the breather over here. It's got a provision, although I haven't seen it, for the pad on the front there. Oil tank, it's got the pad on the back to sit on. It's got the breather. Large megaphone out the back. See if, look at the carby here. Remote bowl on it. Yes, it's got a remote bowl on the other side there. I can see the remote bowl now. Engine looks to be the 350 that's meant to be. It's still got the wires on it to secure it. It's got a frame number in here, very, very indistinct. Let's see a 54 on it. Let's see if we can get a couple of these other cables out of the way so we can have a decent look. Five, 4, 3. Five, 4, 3. See if we can find an engine number or something down here. Yes, there we are. KTT 904. KTT 904. Is there a remote bowl? Oil tank. Homemade cover. KTT 904. I remember that. Sounds familiar. Ring a bell. 904. 904. I'm feeling. No, I won't comment. 904. Pretty dusty, but looks to be in very good condition otherwise. Flat tyre. It's been flat too long. Replacement. So it looks to be all there. Okay, so that's been a good look at it.
Yeah, no worries. I'll just leave it there. I'll get the tyre.
Right,